Welcome back to Adventure and Repeat. It's Gladys here. So today we've got our OMC Cobra Outdrive here on the stand, and we're having some gear mechanical issues on the bottom end where it's not locking into gear and chunking and spitting and all that kind of stuff. So it's not engaging fully into gear. So what we're going to do is we're going to show how to split the upper from the lower and how easy it is in case you need to do it yourself. As a note, this lower unit cannot be taken off if the outdrive is still attached to the boat because of this flag right here. This is where the gear selector is. And this needs to come out through the upper section right here. So if it was attached to the boat, you'd still have your gear selector in there and it would not be able to pull out of the system. And the way it goes, when you pull this out, you actually have to turn this sideways to get it the rest of the way through this. So you got to make sure that this comes off the boat. You cannot do it while it's still on the boat. Now, if you had a whale tail on here like I did, I already removed it because we don't need it in the way. The next thing we got to do is start pulling this. Get the trim tab out of here so we can get to these three bolts right down here. Those all got to come out. This middle one that's actually recessed, that's actually for the anode that's right there. So realistically, it's easier to have it out of the way so you don't have to worry about anything in the case itself. But if you don't want to get that out or if it's not there, that's always a possibility. 7/16, 9/16, 5/8. If you're like me and this is a spare time project, I'll actually label all my bolts 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, just so I know where they go in case I had to come back to this in a month. Then the next thing is these two on this side and these two on this side. You can take the anode rod if you want to off, but I'm going to leave it on there because that's going to be a little prying lip for us to try to separate these case halves. And we're going to start with one screwdriver right there, and you can slowly lift it up and start working in a pocket. Get the screwdriver in there. We're going to work our way all the way around until we can get some pry bars in there and really separate these case halves and get the O-rings to release. Just like that, we're almost there. Now I got it freed up. Essentially wiggle it back and forth. See if it comes in loose. Come up, turn it sideways, and then pull it out the rest of the way. And it looks like a mouse made a nest in this thing at some point. So that's all there is to it, just splitting the upper and lower half on these OMC Cobra Outdrives. Obviously, I've got a lot of work ahead of me getting this cleaned up for rebuilding the lower unit itself, and having it on some kind of bracket adapter that I just made to have it on my engine stand makes this job a lot easier to have something to hold it in place. So hopefully you can like the video. Comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming on, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.